This could be a once every year thing, maybe not. I don't know if I'm even gonna upload this, but I'm gonna do a vlog on the blizzard that's gonna hit us. It's gonna be over 12 inches of snow, complete whiteout, no visibility. Roads most likely will close down. I've been having problems with speaking for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm just recording before it hits. I'm not sure what temp it is. I'll screenshot those. And yeah. This is gonna hit in like 5 minutes. I'm expecting the temperature to drop by like 10 degrees. Do you want back inside? Yeah? Go. Okay, go. Go back inside. Okay. I don't want my cat to be out here when it hits, because, you know, snow. Oh, hi, scary person. I don't know what's happening, but I do not like it. Yeah, it dropped like 10-15 degrees, most likely. It is gonna be cold. Hope we have enough food for, should be cleared up by Wednesday, so shouldn't be too bad, but power might go out. So I'm gonna be recording throughout these days until it gets better, just in case anything, you know? For some reason, snow really does not want to hit. It's windy, just no snow. And, well, I was expecting snow to hit early, but I guess it's gonna hit at like 3 or 4. Because apparently the radar was wrong or something, I don't know. Can I focus? Possibly. I want to try and focus on the lights, but that didn't work, so I'll probably record when I wake up if it's still snowing. Otherwise, I'll just do updates. So it's kind of snowing, as you can see. I'm a bit tired, so my voice is different, but yeah. Probably do more when I wake up. Like, it'll be snowing more. I also have the hiccups, but yeah, I was expecting this to be more at this time. Oh, wow. At this time. I'll just come back when I wake up, I guess. I'm sure it's not up as high because in here is warm. Oh yeah, I have it locked. It's... Oh wow. It's thick. It is thick. Oh wow. Definitely some wind. But yeah, this is thick AF. Is this gonna be like the Metrodome and collapse our roof? Because I sure hope not. I'm gonna taste some snow. Is it any good? Yeah. I don't know, but wow. Complete whiteout. Actually, no, it's not. I can see a fair good distance, but not good for driving. As for how tightly packed it is, this has been in here for like 30 minutes. Not fully melted yet. Yeah, this is... Don't collapse our roof. The snowing has stopped. That's not a bad thing. It's the roads, because those are going to be horrible until they get cleaned up, which should happen within tomorrow if they send people out to do it. Well, I was wrong about it. Stopped being snowing, but stops about an hour later. I've been shoveling for 3 hours. First 2 hours getting my driveway, and then I shoveled someone else's. I'm going to shovel tomorrow too. At least I'm making some good money. Of course, it's going to be split though, because my siblings are helping me